Hey guys, it's time for another paint party. I'd like to say welcome to all those who are returning and to all those who are new who have never watched my channel before. I'm glad you are here, and I hope that everyone is doing well and that you will enjoy this pour. I have a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas here. It is a professional grade canvas, and it's been placed on a cutting board that's on top of a spin table, and we're all set up inside of a kiddie pool. So we will be turning the canvas as I pour. We are doing a split cut pour. I haven't done one of those in a while, so I felt like I would give it a go today. The colors are going to be provided in the description, as I typically do. I will give you a quick glance of our cup that's already been prepared. You will be listening to music throughout the pouring portion of the video, but I will come back at the end and we'll talk about the results, and then I'll give you a close-up. Enjoy! I've taken off as much paint as I think I should by spinning now. And looking at the composition of the painting, I'm not thrilled with it. Some of it I like, but I'm not liking this middle part really. So I'm going to put a little bit more paint in my cup, and I'm going to pour just enough for that to try and get rid of that middle. So here we go. Okay guys, I've come to a point where I really like it, and I'm going to stop spinning. We're going to get a close-up now. This is definitely an abstract, and I really think that it's pretty cool. And I can't wait until it's dry because it is going to be gorgeous. I have a feeling all this that appears to be white, like right here, is actually silver. So that is going to look different when it dries for sure. And that silver is probably very much responsible for a lot of this sail action that we got going on. But the colors, just the faintness of the turquoise and the purple, they're not like up there and in your face, but it is really their subtleness within the painting actually makes it look pretty cool. Typically you would see them very, straight lines distinctly, but of each color, but this silver has caused a lot of sailage, and the chemical reaction of these paints is definitely unique. This black is got some of that Marte. It's there's a little bit of that in there, and I mean, look at this stuff. This is crazy. Look at it. Makes me think of a planet or something. It's, I don't know, I'm speechless of all these sails that have developed. And it's just overall, I think it is super cool looking. It doesn't look anything like a typical split cup pour. I knew that was possible giving the colors that I'm using, but I kept wanting to do something with black and silver. And this is what we've got. And I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I think it is just super awesome. I couldn't have planned anything better than this. Coming up with the name, though, for it, a title, will be difficult, to say the least. If you got any ideas, please feel free to put it in the comments. But I'm super stoked with it. I think it is just super cool. And I can't wait to see how it dries and put some top coat on it, so that that will really add something to it as well. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will say goodbye and hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.